I'm going to do another baking soda and vinegar chemical reaction, but this time I'm going to add food coloring to see if it makes a different colored chemical reaction. I have no proof that this will actually work. Okay, I'm going to add the vinegar. And the food coloring. Okay, and now baking soda. See if it actually makes a blue reaction. Oh! And it does. Interesting. Very interesting. There it is. So yeah, this was a huge success. At the beginning, the vinegar wasn't as blue. But now after the reaction, it got darker. So, cool. Yeah, I had no idea this would win. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean.